Are you living in the USA and looking for a way to earn extra cash without a degree or experience? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful side hustles that you can start right now. No experience, no big investment. These are real, proven ideas people are using today to make money in their free time. Let's dive in. Hustle number 1, print on demand. If you've ever dreamed of starting an online store, but didn't want to deal with inventory, shipping, or upfront costs, this one's for you. Here's how it works. You create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or tote bags. Then you upload them to free platforms like Printify, Teespring, or Redbubble. When someone orders a product, the company prints and ships it for you, and you keep the profit. No design skills? No worries. Use Canva or even AI tools like DALL-E or MidJourney to create amazing graphics. Many people in the US are making $200 to $2,000 a month doing this on the side. It's passive, beginner-friendly, and scalable. Side hustle number 2, flipping on Facebook Marketplace. You'd be surprised how many people give away valuable things for free in your area. Furniture, electronics, bikes, even tools. Here's the plan. 1. Search for free listings or visit yard sales. 2. Pick up items that are slightly used but fixable. 3. Clean them. Maybe repaint or touch up. 4. Relist them for profit on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. People in the US make $500 to $1,500 a month just doing this on weekends. Bonus tip: if you have a car or truck, you can even offer delivery for an extra charge. It's simple. Find, fix, flip, and profit. Hustle number 3, offer AI-based gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the top freelance platforms in the US, and AI tools are giving people a serious edge, even if they have 0 experience. You can offer services like blog writing using ChatGPT, logo design using Canva, social media posts with Copy.ai, resume writing with ChatGPT. The best part? You don't need to be an expert. Just learn how to use the AI tool properly and deliver quality results. Set your gigs to $5, $20, or $50 depending on your service. Over time, great reviews, more orders. People have turned this into a full-time remote income without ever leaving home. And yes, this works 100% from your phone or laptop. So let's recap. Print on demand, make and sell products without inventory. Facebook flipping, turn old stuff into cash. Fiverr AI services, get paid using free tools like ChatGPT. None of these require a degree. None of these need a big investment, just consistency and a little effort. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below which hustle you want to try first. More US-based money-making tips are coming every day. Don't miss out.